Hello, my name is Joshua Herrera. I'm a senior MARC student and I work in the chemistry department under the direction of Dr. Antonio Lara. Our lab's focus is to remove heavy metals from contaminated drinking water using pellets made from a local clay. We hope that these pellets may be used to assist the Navajo Nation, who have been dealing with uranium-contaminated water for decades. Now, how do clays remove heavy metals from water? Well, they do this primarily through electrostatic attraction. To understand this, we'll have to look at clay and heavy metals at a small scale. Clay exists as small coordinated chunks called platelets. These platelets have a negative charge with some positively charged cations like sodium and potassium there to balance the charge and keep the clay neutral. Now, when heavy metals are dissolved in water, they usually exist as cations. If one of these heavy metal cations reaches a clay platelet, then it can essentially kick out whatever cations are already there and stick to the clay. This happens because the bond between the heavy metal cation and the clay is stronger than the bond between the clay and whatever cations were there. While this process works with clay powder simply thrown into water, the resulting mixture would essentially be mud and not be very nice to drink. To solve this, we turn clay into manageable pellets, which contaminated water can easily pass through. My area of focus within this research deals with the strength or robustness of pellets, and how certain cations such as sodium, potassium, and lithium can affect the overall strength. To study the effect of these cations' presence, I use chloride salt solutions in place of water during pellet fabrication. These solutions are all at the same concentration and are mixed in a specific weight ratio with the clay. For example, 50% of the weight might be the solution and the other 50% would be the weight of the clay. Now, once these pellets are finished, we measure their strength by means of compression testing. In this test, we squeeze the pellet and determine the amount of force needed to make it break. With this, we can compare the strength of normal pellets to that of their salty counterparts and see if there are any significant effects.